Hello everyone! I'm going back to voiceovers for these Halloween tutorials since they're so detailed and any chatter would make this video an hour long. So for today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how I turn myself into Pink Diamond from the show Steven Universe, which I love so much and hold so close to my heart. So first I'll be applying some pink lenses, and these are from Queen Lenses, and I'll link the exact ones down below. And they make me look so creepy. Then I pre-mixed some face paint to make this pink. Then with a sponge I got from Sally's, this is the brand, Face Secrets, I'll be applying that onto my face. And it looks light right now, but you can always go back and apply more to make it more opaque. But I like to get the first layer on, a little good base, and then add more where it needs to be added. And to make this pink, I mixed Mehron's Clown White and NYX SFX Cream Color in red and a tiny bit of blue for a cool undertoned pink. Make sure you get your ears! Unless your ears aren't going to show, then you don't really need to do this part, which I realized once I put my hair down. Then with a powder puff, I'm just smacking on some translucent setting powder. And this powder puff is also from Sally's, and it's the same brand as the sponge. Then I'm knocking off any excess powder with a powder brush. Then with Kryolan's Aqua Color in white and Suva Hydroliner in bubblegum, I'm mixing those together to paint my neck with this contour blending brush from Eve Pro. And I guess I'm taking the contour blending side, the fluffier side, obviously. As you can see, you got eyeballs. Next, I'm taking Dolly Pop from Sugarpill, and with a angled contour brush, I am contouring my face, my cheeks. And don't get discouraged if it's not blending out as fast as you want it to. Just be patient and just keep on blending. It'll diffuse, it'll blend. Then I am packing that onto the beginning of my forehead, the edge of my forehead, and then blending down towards the middle of my forehead. The top of my forehead. Oh my god, why didn't I say that? Then I'm contouring my chin, and then my jawline. Then with a Smith 247 brush and a Smith 230 brush, I'm just contouring my nose. Same color, Dolly Pop from Sugarpill. Then from my Little Twin Stars palette from Sugarpill, I'm just taking a fluffy powder brush and taking the color Sky Candy, which is a frosted baby pink. And I didn't show you in this tutorial because I'm a dummy. But yeah, I'm just applying that to the tops of my cheekbones to help blend that contour. Then from the Sugarpill Oh Honey Palette, I'll be taking Life Size. And it's basically the blush, so I'm using it as blush. And I'm taking my Smith 115 brush to apply. I said basically it's a blush, but it is a blush in the palette. I'm a dummy. Then I'm taking Tako from Sugarpill as well, and with a fluffy powder brush, I'm just applying that to my highlight areas of my face because I feel like I got a little lost in the sauce. The sauce of pink. Then with my angled aesthetic brush, Aesthetica angled brush, I'm taking Dolly Pop from Sugarpill and filling in my brows. Then I'm taking Tako with my Sigma tapered blending brush and applying that to the middle of my lid. Then Suburbia from Sugarpill as well. It's a matte pastel coral. I'm using my Smith 232 brush and applying that to the inner and outer corners of my eye. And you guessed it, we're doing a halo eye. I feel like a halo eye is best when I do cartoony type characters because it makes my eyelids look big. And what I do to the top, I mimic on the lower lash line of my eye. Then I'm taking Dolly Pop with my Smith 230 brush, which is the same style brush as 232 but smaller. And I'm applying that to the outer part of where I placed Suburbia. And I'm just blending that inward, deepening up my, I almost said cut crease, but it's a halo eye. Then with my tapered blending brush from Sigma, I'm diffusing my harsh lines. My favorite part. I love blending out and diffusing. Next, I'm taking a little bit more of Suburbia on my Smith 247 brush and applying that right next to Dolly Pop, because it got a little lost in Tako, so I'm just reapplying some. And then with a pencil brush, I am taking Tako, which is the white from Sugarpill, and applying that to the middle of my lower lash line, because it seems like I forgot to do that. Next, I'm taking Milani's Hypnotic Lights Eye Topper in Starlight, and applying that with my finger to the middle of my lid, just to give my eyelid just more of a cartoony pop. Next, I'm taking Milani's Hypnotic Lights Highlighter in Holographic Pink with my Eve Pearl Dual Fan Brush. I'm applying that to the highlights of my cheekbones, my nose, any place that I feel like needs a kiss of highlight. Then I'm just lining my eyelids and creating a very modest wing with my Kat Von D Tattoo Dagger Liner. Next, from the Sugarpill Oh Honey Palette, I'm taking Pony Boy with my Smith 212 brush, and I'm just defining my lower lash line, because it got a little lost. That's my favorite word today, or phrase. Then I'm just applying some mascara, and this is Benefit's BADgal Bang Mascara. And for lashes, I'm using Rouge & Rogue's Lioness Lashes. Oh yeah, and I did my hair off camera, it looks like. Surprise! I just teased it. Then I'm going to be cutting up these Violet Voss Wispy My Name lashes. And applying them to my lower lash line, and I just cut up 3. And you can barely see because I got really into applying these lashes. Then I'm preparing my lips and I'm putting more of that cream color on my lips and then powdering them up with translucent powder. Then I am taking Suva Beauty's Liquid Lipstick in Dreamer and applying that only to the middle of my lip, creating more of a like plump, smaller lip shape, just like Pink Diamond. And don't be afraid to overline and exaggerate the lip, because here in this video I was afraid to go overboard, I guess, but once I started taking pictures for the look, I noticed that my lips were not as big as Pink Diamond, so I went ahead and redid my lips. Made them bigger. Then I'm taking Sugarpill's Oh Honey Palette again in Dolly and applying that to my collarbone with the same highlighter brush, because my collarbone got a little crusty from the paint. And that is all for this Pink Diamond tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial, and I hope to see some Pink Diamonds or any other Steven Universe character, out there for Halloween. So, yeah, I love you guys so stinking much, and I will see y'all in my next